In this video, I'm going to do a comparison between Midjourney and DALL-E on ChatGPT, and we're going to see which one can make the best images for you. So you can decide which one is the best to sort of subscribe to. Let's go head to head and actually see which can produce sort of the coolest images. So on ChatGPT, I've got nothing here, but on Midjourney, I've already sort of started to get used to some of the prompts and how it all works. So basically, when you create an account, a brand new one, to create prompts and actually generate images, you use these newbies rooms, and then you can just type whatever you want in and it will start creating images. And you're in a group chat with like other people's creations. While in ChatGPT, the best thing about it is it's very soul-based, so you don't see like what anyone else is doing, you just see your images, which is quite good. So anyway, let's get started in generating some images. So we're going with a dark samurai in Japan. That's like the first prompt that we've given DALL-E 3, and we'll see what it can create. There we go, so we have some generations happening. Very cool. So we have 4 different styles that it comes up with, and this is pretty original and lifelike. The first image, I really like that. The second image is like this portrait, has a very artistic style. The next one is another sort of comic book sort of style, which is really cool. And the last one is in some sort of dark forest. I like the comic book style and I like the lifelike sort of style. Cool, let's go into Midjourney and see what happens. So we got slash and then we go imagine and then we type in our prompt and let's see what it can come up with. So overall, it was decently fast and we got some really realistic images over here. And what's really cool is how amazing this looks. So it looks super realistic, man. The fourth image looks a bit weird, but that looks hyper realistic, man. That last image, the second last image, looks very realistic. That looks absolutely amazing. Wow. So we've got a very vast difference between what ChatGPT is creating and what we've got with Midjourney. I feel like Midjourney can create some really sort of lifelike images, if that makes sense. Some more realistic images, but you can also give it prompts like create some cartoonistic sort of looks and stuff like that. But overall, I like how DALL-E creates these sort of comic book looks, but the realistic images are really cool. But you can definitely say, like, as you can see, like give it vector art styles and stuff, so you have to be very direct. And then you get it in 4 images, and then if you want one image sort of like by itself, then you got to press these U1s, U2, or V1 or V2. So let's have a look. So let's go U1, see what that gives you. So that's going to upscale your image, and then you can download that image, or you can do V1 as another option. And that's a variation of your image as well. So overall, I find that I'm liking DALL-E for its simplicity at the moment. Just being able to just generate some images and download the single images by themselves, not have to worry about pressing extra buttons to upscale or find some extra buttons for variations. I find that its simplicity is really good in DALL-E, but for like actual lifelike images, I do like the look of what Midjourney can create in itself. Let's have a look at some of these images. So we've got DALL-E creating some really interesting images here. I love these comic book images. That's a really cool image. I like that one. So we've got a shark and a whale, this giant tidal wave, the clouds sort of joining together with it on top. We've got a pretty rough sea. That's kind of what I imagined in my head of like what it would be like. So that's like an oil painting. Ooh, this is cool. So we've got another really good image there as well. That's awesome. I like that. I like that a lot. I like what it's coming up with. I like the style of this one. Wow, we've got some really cool images over here. Wow, look at that. I love it. So, very lifelike, but I don't see a whale. I see like a person and a shark, so I don't see a whale. Midjourney didn't generate the whale, while ChatGPT actually generated the whale, so DALL-E actually won this round because I feel like it actually followed the instructions. But the images it's coming up with were absolutely insane. Like, look at that. It just looks insane. Whereas in the first round, I felt like the images that Midjourney sort of came up with were a bit better. I found that I enjoyed the images a bit more with the realistic sort of look. Especially with that samurai, it looked absolutely incredible. A man chilling with his laptop, studying in a New York City apartment. So it has like the person in the front, and then you got the background where it's got like the window with like something in the background sort of moving. So that's what I'm sort of going for with this prompt. Oh, amazing. Let's see this. So we came up with a really sort of realistic look of this guy in a New York City apartment. Then we have the anime look, which would be really cool. I do like that. That's pretty cool. That is very, very on point. That is really nice. I like these oil paintings. So with DALL-E and ChatGPT 4, I like how it's sort of generating these oil paintings and you get like 4 different styles. While in Midjourney, they're all the sort of same style unless you actually tell it to do a different style. Very cool. I really like that image of the guy just sort of chilling there with his laptop and New York City in the background. That really captures the essence of what I was going for. All right, so I do like this sort of look with the cartoon. That looks absolutely amazing. That's a very realistic image as well. So it seems to really come up with these realistic images really well. I like the top one. So if we go the top one versus this one, I still like what DALL-E is coming up with. Like, I like the colors, I like what it came up with, but I still enjoy that sort of scene as well. Both are sort of a vibe in itself, but I'm still enjoying what DALL-E is coming up with a bit more. These are very general, sort of vague images that I have in my head, but I just want to see what it comes up with, the best one. So I really struggled with this sort of request. Maybe it was a bit too vague. Man at peace with his dog. So it doesn't look like the Midjourney bot is struggling at all with any prompts. So we saw that obviously ChatGPT sometimes struggles with some prompts, while Midjourney is not struggling whatsoever. So it's more reliable in that sense. Wow, beautiful. I definitely feel that Midjourney won this round because it really captured the essence of what I was going for. So I wanted to see sort of like an image like this, exactly like this. 2 main characters in the foreground, we've got the background with the river. It just looks beautiful, really captures the essence of what we're going for. So I'm very happy with sort of Midjourney at this point. So we're sort of 2 for 2. So we've got Midjourney getting 2 up, and then we've got, you know, ChatGPT with 2 wins there as well. We'll do best out of 5, I would say. Both are different because I found that Midjourney, it's more expensive. In a way, I don't like that it's sort of in different chat rooms with different people so they can all see the same images that you create, but you're also seeing what they're creating. I sort of want like one chat room by itself. That's what I like about ChatGPT is you by yourself, you got your own chat room. Yeah, but I don't like how DALL-E sometimes can be as reliable with generating these images, but I love these oil paintings. They look absolutely incredible. So anyway, best out of 5. Let's give it a go. So, let's go ancient Rome and see what it could create from like some history sort of text. All right, so now we have images. Ooh, these are really good. Love that landscape. Yep, it's got it right with the monument of Rome. Very cool. really capturing the essence of what ancient Rome used to be. Oh wow, that looks amazing, man. I definitely love these images. That looks amazing. Really does. Very cool. Let's have a look through. Wowee. Wow. I feel like these images sort of capture the essence of what ancient Rome is a little bit more. Whereas this is more like the cityscapes, but makes it look more built up. If that makes sense, so more modern than what it really does look like. Whereas these images, they actually capture the essence of history. Yeah, I feel like Midjourney, I like a little bit more because it feels like it captures the essence maybe a little bit more of the ancient Rome. Like these images are amazing, but I feel like this captures the essence a little bit more of what ancient Rome used to actually be like, to me personally. So I feel like for more advanced images, Midjourney definitely is great at creating these advanced images, but for sort of still getting basics done and creating amazing artwork as well, DALL-E is equally incredible. You guys can also let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments, and we can do a cool sort of backwards and forwards discussion of sort of DALL-E versus Midjourney. Which one do you guys prefer?